HomeLink is a universal transceiver in your 2019-2022 Chevy Silverado that learns radio frequency signals to operate garage doors, gates, and other devices. It's located in the overhead console with 3 buttons for programming different devices. To begin setup, ensure your vehicle is in accessory mode by turning the key to ACC position. You'll also need the original garage door remote with fresh batteries. If HomeLink has been programmed before, erase existing settings by holding the 2 outer buttons, 1 and 3, for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This clears all saved signals, giving you a clean slate. Finally, ensure you're in a safe location to test and that the garage door area is clear. To program HomeLink, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches from the HomeLink buttons. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen HomeLink button, such as button 1 and the remote's button. Continue holding until the HomeLink indicator light changes from a slow to a rapid blink, indicating successful programming. The garage door should operate. If it doesn't work, your garage opener might use rolling codes. Within 30 seconds of pressing the Learn button, return to your Silverado and press the programmed HomeLink button for 2 seconds, release, and press again. Repeat this process up to 3 times. If issues persist, check the remote battery or consult your Chevy dealer, as electrical resets may be needed.